When your car misfires, it can feel like the vehicle is gasping for air. Rough idling, hesitation while accelerating, or even that dreaded flashing check engine light. While spark plugs often take the blame, a misfire is rarely caused by a single issue. It results from a combination of factors, and understanding these hidden culprits can save you time and money. At its core, an engine misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to produce the expected power. This might occur due to improper combustion, a lack of spark, or an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. Modern engines, with their advanced systems, can make diagnosing a misfire tricky. Spark plugs are often the first thing people check, and for good reason. Over time, these essential components wear out, leading to weak or inconsistent sparks. However, the problem may not stop there. Ignition coils, which amplify the voltage needed to generate a spark, can also fail and cause a misfire. Misfires aren't always related to the ignition system. Fuel delivery plays an equally crucial role. A clogged or faulty fuel injector might restrict the amount of fuel entering the cylinder, leading to incomplete combustion. Similarly, a weak fuel pump or dirty fuel filter can disrupt the fuel pressure, starving the engine of the consistency it needs to run smoothly. Another often overlooked aspect is the air supply. A vacuum leak caused by a cracked hose, a damaged intake manifold gasket, or a malfunctioning throttle body can wreak havoc on the air intake, upsetting the balance needed for efficient combustion. Modern vehicles rely on sensors like the mass airflow sensor, MAF, and oxygen sensors to maintain the proper air-fuel ratio. If these sensors provide faulty data or fail entirely, the engine may receive an incorrect mixture, causing misfires. Timing also plays a significant role in the combustion process. If the timing belt or chain slips, the spark might occur too early or too late, disrupting combustion. Low compression in a cylinder, often caused by worn piston rings or a leaking head gasket, can also be a culprit. To diagnose a misfire, it's essential to start with the basics. Checking the condition of spark plugs, ignition coils, and fuel injectors is a good first step. Using an OBD2 scanner can help pinpoint which cylinder is misfiring, offering valuable clues. For more complex issues like compression problems or timing malfunctions, professional intervention might be required. Ignoring a misfire isn't just an inconvenience. It's a risk. Prolonged misfires can damage the catalytic converter, reduce fuel efficiency, and potentially lead to engine failure. The moment symptoms like rough idling, loss of power, or a flashing check engine light appear, action should be taken immediately. Misfires can be caused by a wide range of issues, from basic maintenance problems to more intricate mechanical failures. Understanding the potential causes not only empowers you to address the issue, but also helps prevent further damage. If you've ever dealt with a misfire, share your experience in the comments, and let's discuss how you tackled it.